name is Erin Nutcher, and I'm a fourth-generation dairy farmer here in Gustine, California. On our farm, we milk 2,100 cows twice a day. Those cows produce almost 20,000 gallons of milk. So where I am standing right now is called the freestall barn. So this is just one of the 8 barns that we have on our dairy facility. This barn, why we have our cows housed in freestall barns, that we can help control the environment. So we can protect our cows from the rain that just happened this past week, so they don't get muddy. When it's really hot in the summer months, we have these large fans that are placed that help the air to keep going and to keep moving. We also have this bar that kind of goes above where they eat, and that is a sprinkler bar. And there's different nozzles, and that'll go on and spray the cows and keep them nice and cool in the summer months. They also have free access to water at all times, and also free access to a wonderful ration and diet that is actually formulated by our nutritionist. So, of course, these cows produce a ton of milk, and you can find a lot of the dairy products in your home. You can find it, of course, on your yummy pizza that your mom might make. You can find it, you can also have it in breakfast with yogurt and granola, or just have it on your cereal. And milk is just an essential blend of vitamins and minerals and 9 essential nutrients that our body needs. And it is just a wholesome and pure product, and that is why I think dairy and milk is just an essential part of our diet, and a part of should be on our table at all times. So thank you so much for following along, and have a wonderful day.